Guys, here we are. I'm making banana waffles. Here is my new toy for my kitchen that it was sent to me by Jean from Jean's Kitchen. Thank you, Jim. I'm going to say it like this. Never in my life I have used a waffle maker, so it's never too late to start. So my grandson is home and we are going to make him banana waffles. The recipe calls for 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I am going to use extra flour because I added 3 bananas and 2 eggs. Okay. I'm going to leave you the original recipe in the description box and also Jim's channel. So you guys don't know Jim, you guys should go and check him out. He holds collaborations for recipes and whatever you like to cook. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Yes, 1 tablespoon. I double check. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 pinch of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg. I put 2 eggs in here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. I have my vanilla there, and 2 bananas. So far here I have 3 bananas, 2 eggs, my baking powder, also my sugar. Let me grab my flour. I have my vanilla. I got it at my nutmeg, my vanilla, and what else? The pinch of cinnamon. So I will bring you guys right back. Okay, it says to wait until the light gets green. I guess that's your different levels of temperature. I got my batter ready. I added all the ingredients. Yep, ready. So the light is green. I gotta put an amount in the center. I did 2 cups of flour because, like I say, I have extra eggs, extra bananas. So, guys, whatever comes out of here, I'm going to show you. Like I say, I have never made waffles. I have cooked so many food from around the world. But one of the easiest things, which is waffle, I never made because my kids, they never like waffles. But my grandson loves them. I just asked him, I said, do you like waffles? He's like, I love waffles. So, here we go. And my grandson is more picky eater than my children. So, let me see, how am I going to hold this phone? Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, here goes nothing. Hi, guys. Let me see how can I put this so you guys can see. Yeah, I think that's good. So, set to take an amount, not too much, I guess. Put them in the, I already have sanitized the waffle kit there. I think that's good. It says spread the batter, I don't know. So I'm spreading the batter. Then close the lid. So guys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, hopefully I had enough batter in there. Then I have to wait until the light goes back to green. And then we'll know. I hope it comes out. Like I said, I feel silly because I have never used a waffle maker, never have used for it because of my children, and they never like waffles. But my grandson likes waffles. Oh, wow. The thing is lifting up, so do I have to press it down? I don't know. It smells like bananas. Oh my goodness, I want to look. I have to look. Do I look? Should I look? Should I look? I don't know. Oh my word. But yeah, guys, I will leave the recipe in the description. It turns green, so that means they're ready to open. Oh, why does it look like it's stuck? Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at here, look at here. Then it says not to use a metal spatula, but to use a plastic spatula. And, ooh. And take, okay, ooh, ooh. Why is it so soft? I don't know. Oh. My first waffle. Wow. I don't know why it's so soft, but we're going to try this one, see how it tastes. And I'm going to make some more, but I'm going to leave it a little longer. Or maybe I would just raise the temperature a little bit, even though that is a nice, beautiful color. Just a little bit. Let's see. Let me grab some syrup. Hold on. Well, guys, I grab some syrup. I use sugar-free syrup. So let me add just in a little bit. I like my waffles to be crunchy, so it tastes delicious, guys. It tastes really good. Jim, thank you for my new toy. I can't wait to make chickens and waffles. You know, that yummy stuff. And guys, like I said, go check Jim out. He always does collaboration. I like this. For being my first time, I think I did good. So, yeah, let me make my grandson's waffles and I'll bring you guys back when everything is done. And this is a quick and easy meals. Well, guys, I am serving my grandson. I put my bacon in the microwave after I cook it on top of the stove to finish getting rid of whatever fat is left. So, here it is. So there is my grandson's breakfast. I do have plenty. I made 5 large waffles. So there you have it. So guys, let me come over here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold on. Let me come over here. Let me come over here. And I want to thank Jim for this beautiful gift. For being my first time, I think I did good. My recipe turned out wonderful. I will share it with you guys. And guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Manja. Bon appetit. Bye.